So on this day, my buddy Kyle and I decided to go down to the dam and clean up the area. As you can see, we started finding a lot of lead.
Crazy.
And it was just unbelievable how much lead we found.
There's too much.
There is.
Oh, let's go look for lures.
I had already dove this spot about 5 times previously throughout the year, so I didn't think we'd find much, but you would not believe what you keep finding in only maybe 2 to 3, maybe 4 feet of visibility. But it's always a treat every time I go back, and it's nice that there's no current, the dam's closed, and we were able to do this safely with no concerns.
Clean it up.
We ended up going back and started picking up more lead, and we made some friends here, these bass. They were very curious and were waiting for stuff to pop up from underneath the lead. I think crayfish, but this one right here is actually really weird. His buddy was like, "Knock it off, Jack."
Right here.